All right, folks, let's talk Pixel. Google's been on a roll lately, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. The Pixel 9 Pro, it's their latest and greatest, aiming to be the ultimate Android experience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. We've seen Google consistently raise the bar with their Pixel line. From groundbreaking camera tech to clean, intuitive software, Pixels have always been about a smooth, user-friendly experience. The Pixel 9 Pro takes this philosophy and cranks it up to 11. The question is, can the Pixel 9 Pro stand toe-to-toe with the heavy hitters in the smartphone arena? Can it convert skeptics and win over die-hard fans of other brands? Buckle up because we're about to break it all down. So, you've just snagged yourself the Pixel 9 Pro. You rip open that box and bam! That sleek, minimalist packaging classic Google. Inside you've got your charging cable, a quick start guide, and of course the star of the show, the Pixel 9 Pro. Pick it up and you immediately notice the premium build quality. It feels solid, substantial without being bulky. The screen, oh man, that screen, it's gorgeous. Vibrant colors, deep blacks, and bezels so thin they practically disappear. It's like holding a window to the future. First impressions? This thing screams premium. It's clear Google put a lot of thought into the design and user experience right out of the box. Now let's see if it lives up to these initial high hopes. Let's talk aesthetics. When it comes to the design of the Pixel 9 Pro, Google has really outdone itself this time. The Pixel 9 Pro isn't a radical departure from its predecessor, the Pixel 8. Instead, it's more of a refined evolution, taking the best elements of the previous model and enhancing them. It's more like a refined evolution. The design language remains familiar, yet it feels fresh and new. The edges are smoother, the lines are cleaner, and the overall feel is more premium. You've got that iconic two-tone design on the back, but now it's even more seamless and elegant. The transition between the two tones is almost imperceptible, giving it a more cohesive look. The camera bar is back, baby, and it's better than ever. It's not just a design element, it's a statement. But Google's tweaked the design, making it less intrusive and more integrated with the overall look. The camera bar now sits more flush with the back of the phone, reducing the wobble when placed on a flat surface. And those color options? They're fire. From the classic black to the more adventurous hues like coral and sage, there's a color for everyone. Whether you're into classic black or feeling a little more adventurous, there's a Pixel 9 Pro that's speaking your language. The build quality, top-notch. The materials used feel premium and durable. We're talking Gorilla Glass Victus for durability, IP68 water and dust resistance. This phone can handle whatever life throws at it. Whether you're caught in the rain or accidentally drop it, the Pixel 9 Pro is built to last. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro is a looker. It's not just about the aesthetics, though. The design choices also enhance the user experience. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it feels fantastic in hand. The ergonomics are spot on, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or taking photos, the Pixel 9 Pro feels just right. And let's not forget the user interface. It's smooth, intuitive, and complements the hardware perfectly. Every swipe, tap, and scroll feels responsive and fluid. The camera experience is also top-notch, with quick access to all the features you need to capture the perfect shot. From low-light photography to high-resolution video, the Pixel 9 Pro has got you covered. And with wireless charging, you can keep your phone powered up without the hassle of cables. Just place it on a compatible charger and you're good to go. The front camera is perfect for video calls and selfies, ensuring you always look your best. The clarity and detail are impressive, making every call feel more personal. Multitasking is a breeze with the Pixel 9 Pro. Whether you're switching between apps or running multiple tasks simultaneously, the phone handles it all with ease. The display is another highlight. It's vibrant, sharp, and offers excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. Watching videos, playing games, or just browsing the web is a visual treat, and with plenty of customization options, you can make the Pixel 9 Pro truly your own. From widgets to wallpapers, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the Pixel 9 Pro is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's sleek, stylish, and surprisingly familiar, yet packed with new features and improvements that make it a joy to use. So, if you're in the market for a new phone, the Pixel 9 Pro should definitely be on your radar. Alright, enough about the looks, let's talk about what this thing can do. The Pixel 9 Pro is not just a pretty face, it's a powerhouse designed to handle anything you throw at it. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro packs some serious heat. It's engineered to deliver top-notch performance, no matter the task. We're talking the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, a beast of a chip that ensures everything runs smoothly. Paired with a generous amount of RAM, this phone is built for speed and efficiency. Translation? This phone is blazing fast. Whether you're launching apps, browsing the web, or switching between tasks, it handles everything with ease. Apps open in a snap, games run buttery smooth, and there's virtually no lag. And multitasking? It's a breeze. You can run multiple apps side by side without any slowdown. This phone just doesn't quit. It's designed to keep up with your busiest days and most demanding tasks. Whether you're a casual user who enjoys texting and social media, or a power user who pushes their phone to the limit with heavy apps and multitasking, the Pixel 9 Pro can handle it without breaking a sweat. It's built to perform under pressure. And let's not forget about 5G. The Pixel 9 Pro is fully 5G ready, so you can experience those lightning-fast download and upload speeds. The future of mobile internet is here, and this phone is ready for it. Imagine downloading large files in seconds or uploading videos in the blink of an eye. That's the power of 5G. If you're in an area with 5G coverage, this phone will let you unleash the full potential of the next generation of mobile internet. Stream high-definition videos without buffering, enjoy seamless video calls, and browse the web at unprecedented speeds. The Pixel 9 Pro ensures you're always connected and always fast. Section 5. Pixel's secret sauce software that thinks for you. Now let's talk software. This is where the Pixel truly shines. It runs on the latest version of Android, of course, but Google takes it a step further with their signature Pixel-exclusive features. Think Google Assistant, but on steroids. It's smarter, more intuitive, and deeply integrated into every aspect of the phone. Need to screen your calls? Google Assistant can do it. Want to translate a foreign language in real time? No problem. And then there's the Pixel's legendary AI capabilities. From the amazing call quality enhancements to the mind-blowing Magic Eraser feature that lets you remove unwanted objects from photos, the Pixel 9 Pro is packed with software tricks that will make you say, "How did they do that?" Section 6. A camera that sees more photography redefined. Let's be real, the camera is a make-or-break feature for any flagship smartphone these days. It's the one feature that can truly set a device apart from the competition. Whether you're capturing memories, creating content, or just snapping a quick photo, the quality of the camera can make all the difference. And the Pixel 9 Pro? It doesn't disappoint. In fact, it exceeds expectations in almost every way. The camera on this device is designed to cater to both amateur photographers and seasoned professionals alike. Google's gone all out with the hardware, packing in a triple lens system that's capable of capturing some truly stunning photos. This setup includes a wide-angle lens, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens, giving you the flexibility to shoot in a variety of scenarios. But it's not just about the hardware. The software plays an equally important role in delivering top-notch photography experiences. Google's advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities work behind the scenes to enhance every shot you take. Google's computational photography prowess is on full display here. Features like Super Res Zoom, which uses AI to improve the quality of zoomed-in photos, and Top Shot, which helps you pick the best frame from a burst of shots, make a significant difference. HDR Plus is back and better than ever, delivering incredible dynamic range and detail in every shot. This means that whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or in challenging lighting conditions, your photos will always look their best. Portrait mode is ridiculously good, with natural-looking bokeh and accurate edge detection. This feature allows you to take professional-looking portraits with ease, blurring the background to make your subject stand out. And let's not forget about night sight. This feature has been a game-changer since its introduction, allowing users to take clear and bright photos even in low-light conditions. This feature single-handedly revolutionized low-light photography, and with the Pixel 9 Pro, it's even more impressive. The improved night sight mode ensures that your photos are not only bright, but also retain a high level of detail and color accuracy. You can capture bright, detailed photos in near darkness without even using the flash. This means you can preserve the natural ambiance of the scene without the harsh lighting that a flash can produce. The Pixel 9 Pro truly redefines what a smartphone camera can do, making it a must-have for photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. Section 7. Lights, Camera, Action Videography Prowess. Photos are great, but what about video? Don't worry, the Pixel 9 Pro has got you covered there too. You can shoot video at up to 4K resolution at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second. The stabilization is top-notch, so your footage will look smooth and professional even if you're walking and talking. And just like with photos, Google's computational photography magic comes into play with video as well. You've got features like Live HDR+, which gives your videos that cinematic look with vibrant colors and impressive dynamic range. And for all you slow-motion junkies out there, the Pixel 9 Pro can shoot slow-mo video at up to 240 frames per second. That's some seriously slow-motion goodness right there. Section 8. Powering your day. Battery life and charging. Okay, let's talk battery life. Nobody wants a phone that dies halfway through the day. The good news is the Pixel 9 Pro packs a hefty battery that's more than capable of getting you through a full day of use, even if you're the type who's constantly glued to their screen. And when it does come time to charge, the Pixel 9 Pro supports both fast wired charging and fast wireless charging. So whether you're in a hurry or you prefer the convenience of wireless charging, you can juice up your phone in a snap. Google's also made some improvements to the battery optimization software. The phone learns your usage patterns and intelligently adjusts background processes to conserve battery life.